Hello, beautiful students. Welcome to another online class. Today, we are looking at food and nutrition. And under food and nutrition, we shall be defining food or define nutrients and nutrition. We'll also look at classes of food, examples of these classes, functions, and their deficiencies. Lastly, we'll look at the importance of food in the body. Food is any substance that is taken into the body to nourish the body. It is very important to take in food because it provides us with energy for work, it keeps us warm, and helps the body to fight against diseases. There are various examples of food you know. I have examples of food as rice, beans, granules, potatoes, vegetables, fruits, etc. But these food items we eat have chemicals in them. What do we call these chemicals? We call these chemicals nutrients. So we can define nutrients as the chemical substances that are found in food that we eat. It is the chemical substance found in the food you eat that gives your body nourishment, that builds your body, and gives your body energy. Nutrition. As living things, we all carry out one of the characteristics of living things, that is nutrition. And nutrition is the study of nutrients contained in food in relation with diet, health, and diseases. A person who studies nutrition is known as a nutritionist. All the food we eat can be classified into 6 basic groups based on the major nutrients they contain. That is, let's take for instance rice. Rice does not contain only carbohydrate, it has little quantity of oil and other vitamins in it. But we classify food based on the major nutrients they contain, and these classes are protein, carbohydrate, fats and oil, minerals, vitamins, and water. These are the 6 classes of food nutrients. Proteins. Proteins are body-building foods. They are needed in the body for building new cells, repairing worn-out tissues or damaged tissues, and generally for growth. They can be gotten from sources such as milk, fish, egg, chicken, beans, meat, granules, peas, melons, and yogurts. Proteins function in the body to build new cells, to repair worn out or damaged tissues, and to enhance growth and development in general. So, in the absence of these proteins, what do you think will happen to the body? That leads to deficiency diseases. The deficiency diseases of protein are kwashiorkor and marasmus. Kwashiorkor is a condition caused by low quantity of protein in the body. Symptoms of kwashiorkor are protruding belly, brownish hair, stunted growth, underweight, swollen tummy, anemia, loss of appetite, and so on and so forth. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy-giving food. During respiration, carbohydrates are broken down to give out energy and heat. The energy we use for work is mainly gotten from carbohydrates and partly from fats and oil. Examples of these carbohydrate sources are yam, potatoes, rice, millet, cocoyam, cassava, wheat, garri, and so on and so forth. These carbohydrates provide the body with energy for daily activities. They help to also maintain temperature, the body temperature, but not as much as the fats. Since carbohydrates provide sugar in form of glucose to the body, the deficiencies of carbohydrates are hypoglycemia, that is low blood sugar, ketoacidosis, a situation where there are fatty acids in the blood, and conditions such as low concentration because energy is needed for concentration. Minerals are a class of food that are required in the body for good health and proper development. Minerals can be gotten from table salt, from fruits, beef, chicken, yam, bacon, seafoods, vegetables, and so on and so forth. These minerals can either be major, that is needed in large quantities, or minor, needed in little quantities. Lack of or deficiency diseases of minerals are anemia, a deficiency disease of iron. Magnesium can cause nervous disorder in children. Potassium can lead to malfunctioning of nerves and muscles. Iodine can lead to cretinism. Phosphorus can lead to rickets and tooth decay, that is what we also known as dental caries or cavities, while iodine can result in goiter, which is a disease that affects the thyroid gland. Calcium can cause poor growth of bones and teeth, and sodium also cramp. Fats and oils. Fats and oil are a class of food that also provide energy, but not as much as carbohydrates. They are needed in the absence of carbohydrates to give the body energy. Fats are solid at room temperature, while oils are liquid at room temperature. Collectively, they are called lipids. Fats are essential for insulation of the body. They also provide protection for delicate organs of the body, such as kidneys and the heart. They can be gotten from sources such as shea butter, margarine, coconut oil, melon, groundnut oil, palm oil, and so on and so forth. The deficiency of fats and oils can be scaly dermatitis, as peeling skin, alopecia, that's hair loss, skin rash, etc. Vitamins. These are organic substances that are needed in small quantities in the body to fortify the body against diseases. If they are not adequate, they can result in deficiencies. They can be gotten from vegetables, fruits, greens, palm oil, palm nuts rather, etc. Vitamins can either be fat soluble or water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamins that can only dissolve in fats, and these vitamins are A, D, E, and K. While water soluble vitamins are vitamins that can dissolve in water. These are vitamins B and C. The deficiencies of vitamins are hemophilia. Hemophilia is a deficiency of vitamin K, which is the inability or failure of blood to clot when the body is injured. Vitamin A deficiency is night blindness. Vitamin C is scurvy, also known as bleeding gums. Vitamin D is rickets. Vitamin B is beriberi. Vitamin E is sterility and weak muscles, and so on and so forth. Water. Water is a liquid substance made up of oxygen and hydrogen. It is essential in our diet because it aids digestion. Water is also important for body tissues and fluids such as blood, saliva, sweat, and urine. Water can be gotten from sources like river, streams, reservoir, rain, well, and so on and so forth. When water is deficient in the body, it can lead to hydration, that is, reduction of water in the body, lead to weight loss, can also cause impaired performance, dry mouth, and so on and so forth. When all these classes of food are put together in the right proportion in a meal, we call that meal a balanced diet or an adequate diet. Food, as we all know, is important to the body. Some of the importance of food are: one, food eliminates hunger. You take food, it satisfies your hunger. Two, it enhances growth and development. It is a food that you eat that supplies the cells with the nutrients to grow and develop. Thirdly, it provides energy for various physical activities, and we know the class of food that majorly provides energy is carbohydrate first, and secondly, fats and oil. It also helps a person to recover quickly from diseases, as in the case of vitamins. It's also a source of income because people sell food to get money to do one thing or the other for themselves and their families. Good food helps the body fight against diseases, as in the case of vitamins and so on.